No, I am.
How's your cookie, Miss Allie? I need to teach her how to do the thumbs up.
She wants a kiss, Daddy.
I ain't kissing that dirty mouth.
Can Daddy have some cookie? Ask her for some cookie, Josh.
Have some?
She says you can have some of my sugar, but not my cookie. Move, Truman.
Truman, go away.
Come lay by me. Come You can't give the doggy your cookie. It's got chocolate in it.
Now she's eating it, kind of.
I can't even see what I'm filming right now.
You got her.
Family picnic. Except I'm not eating.
I love the living room floor picnic.
Hey, Cookie Monster, look this way.
Look. Look.
Look at that messy face. Say bye-bye, you guys.
Bye-bye. Allie. Bye-bye.